Hi everyone. Are you someone who is a fresher and wants to build their career in digital marketing, or a working professional who want to switch to digital marketing, or you want to work as a freelancer in digital marketing but you have no idea how to go about it and learn digital marketing practically? So well, if you are facing these kinds of issues, then I would recommend you to watch this video till the end and you will get all the answers for your questions. So hi, my name is Saransh Kansal. I have done my MBA from Nasi Munji Institute of Management Studies, Hyderabad. And like you all, I also want to build my career in digital marketing, and for that I started looking out for jobs in digital marketing, and I also applied for many jobs. But like almost 50, 60 jobs which I applied, I hardly got a call for 2, 3 jobs for an interview, and I gave interview for those jobs, but I didn't get selected. So when I asked for a feedback that why I'm not getting selected, so the most common answer which I got is that you have a knowledge for digital marketing, you have done some courses, but you don't have a hands-on practical experience in digital marketing, and we need someone who has worked in digital marketing, so we cannot take you. So I thought, what should I do about it? So the first thing which came to my mind is, like, if I can do some internship and gain some experience, then it will be a great benefit for me. But in my case, like, I am not able to do the internship because I am doing a full-time job with TCS. So I started looking out for some courses in digital marketing where I can learn digital marketing practically and I can build my own portfolio. So for that, I started looking out for courses on Udemy and Coursera, and also I looked for some PG certification courses in digital marketing. But most of these certification courses and programs, when you search about it, like, they teach you about basic digital marketing and basic digital marketing tools and techniques, but most of them won't ask you to do practical stuff, and you won't be learning digital marketing practically through them, and you will end up getting just one digital marketing certificate, and you won't be having any kind of a profile, which, so in my case, it was of no use because I have already done many certificate courses online from on digital marketing. So, and also most of these courses, if you search, they are from as low price as rupees 100 to as high as rupees 1 lakhs. So I don't think that it is worth investing for me. So one day when I was browsing my YouTube, so I came across this 21 days digital marketing Kickstarter challenge by Alpha Marketer. So basically, if I tell you about the Alpha Marketer is, so Alpha Marketer is a digital marketing community which is run by Mr. Anthony Chaco. So he has a 10 years of experience in digital marketing, and he has worked with various companies like Tata Consultancy Service, Flintobox, Hot Courses, and now he has started his digital marketing agency. So he has come up with the 21 days digital marketing Kickstarter challenge. So if I tell you about this particular challenges, so it is a 21-day practical digital marketing course where you will be taught about all the basics of digital marketing, and you will learn how to create your own website on WordPress, write a blog, do how to do an affiliate marketing, running Google and Facebook ads. And in addition to that, you will be given the 5 practical tasks. Yes, you heard that right. You will be doing the 5 actual practical tasks, which will boost your confidence, and you will be building your own portfolio. You will also taught how to build your own resume, and you will be getting the answers of most common questions which are asked in the digital marketing interview. And the best part is, at the end of this course, you will be having your own portfolio. You will have some practical experience in digital marketing. You won't be an expert, but you will have some practical experience which will be good enough for the entry level jobs in digital marketing, and you will be having enough confidence to apply for digital marketing job or start working as a freelancer. And if I tell you about the most special part about this course is that this course comes with a money back guarantee. which means if you complete all the videos and practical tasks within this 21 days, you will be getting your money back. So this course is absolutely free for you. So, but when I came across this ad and I came across this particular course, I had few doubts in my mind. And like, is this course really genuine or some kind of a fraud? Or I don't have much technical experience, and will I be able to complete this particular challenge? And is this a live class or some kind of a pre-recorded video? So to get the answers of all my questions, I searched on Google and Quora. You can also do it on yourself. And I got enough testimonials to get an idea about the credibility of this course. And I joined this course, and I'm really happy to be a part of this course. Also, the best part about this course is you don't need to have a prior experience or any sort of a technical experience in digital marketing, and people from any background, even from engineering, MBA, BBA, any background you are from, you can join this course and you can learn digital marketing. Also, you will be getting the pre-recorded videos from which you can start learning at your own pace, and there will be a weekly Q&A sessions to clear all the doubts with Mr. Anthony Chaco. And if you are a working professional and don't have much time, so you can do this course at your own pace within the 21 days. This course also brings an opportunity for all those who wants to build their career in digital marketing. And if you think about it, it is a very hard nowadays to get a mentorship from someone who has such so much of experience in any field, and in this case it is digital marketing. So, and this course give you that opportunity to learn from someone who has worked in digital marketing for 10 years. So, I would say if you don't want to miss this opportunity and want to learn digital marketing and start your journey as a digital marketer, click on the link below and take an action and get yourself enrolled to this course. Thank you.